Hello Cyberg, my name is Ubiji. Welcome to Click Mind. For a number of years, narcissism has become much discussed by the community to describe anyone who is self-entitlement, lacks empathy, or has a deep need of admiration. Nowadays, the term narcissist is overused to label bad people, manipulators, and anyone they dislike as narcissists. Narcissism is a spectrum. It's quite possible that some people may have narcissistic tendencies, but not the disorder. To receive a diagnosis of narcissistic personality disorder, it should fit DSM-5 criteria. I have talked about NPD in another video. If you are curious to know, you can check our previous video. I put the link in the description box. Narcissistic charm is part of their fake persona they show to win your heart because it helps them to satisfy their sense of grandiosity. In this video, we will bring out 6 signs that you might dating a narcissist. This video is not to label someone as a narcissist, but to help you recognize the signs and self-preservation. But before we jump into that, if you are new to this channel and you're interested to promoting the awareness about mental health, please consider to subscribe our channel and be part of us. Now let's get into the topic. Love bombing. Have you ever felt like things were too good to be true at the very beginning with someone? They may serenade you with adorations, bombard you with love calls and messages, or give you lots of expensive gifts. In short, you may feel over the moon after a number of days you met them. Narcissists use love bombs as a form of emotional manipulation in early relationships to win over your heart, so they can use your heart to get what they want from you and feed their ego. Monopolize every conversations. Effective and healthy conversations should be two-way communication with each person alternating between both speaking and listening. But a conversation with a narcissist doesn't work like that. They dominate every conversation by focusing on what they want to talk about. No matter what you say, they find a way to make it about them. You will feel like a supporting character because they talk a lot and leave no room for you to talk. Low of empathy. Narcissists are able to identify others' needs and feelings, but unwilling to take compassionate action to respond to your pains, feelings, or worries. Their low level of empathy is one of the reasons behind their hurtful and callous behavior. If you're dating a narcissist, your partner can correctly read your feeling, like they know you feel exhausted after work for long hours, yet they keep talking about their day. Or they know you feel unloved because they treat you cold, yet they are unwilling to treat you with compassion. Hypersensitive. Narcissists often appear with grandiose self-image and look indifferent to the opinion of others, but in fact, they are aware and care deeply how they are seen and how others see them. Your narcissist partner easily provokes even with the smallest things, like you were saying a mild disagreement about their favorite movie, they interpreted it as a personal attack and treated you with silent treatment the next day. Or if you reply their text slowly, they will criticize you for being insensitive. It can leave you feeling like you are walking on eggshell around your partner because you need to constantly watch what you say and do. With one wrong move, your partner can blow up. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation that undermines victims' reality to question their memories or sanity. The gaslighters are trying to manipulate the victim by presenting their own thoughts and feelings as the truth and convince their victim that they are misinterpreting events. Narcissists sow seeds of doubt to their partners in order to gain control and manipulate their partner into doing what they want. The game of hot and cold. Your narcissist partner loves to blow hot and cold. One day, they shower you with their attentions, compliments, and send you with thousands of sweet texts. Only later, after several days or hours, they ghost you and distance themselves. When they blow hot, they create expectations of what you think he could be if you can match with their needs. And when cold, he wants you to normalize their inconsistency behavior. This game will confuse you because you never know where the relationship is going. It feels like an endless roller coaster ride with no opportunity to get off. Cyber G, those were 6 signs that you might be dating a narcissist. Please keep in mind, not all people who have those signs are narcissists. Anyone can display toxic behaviors in relationships. When you feel unsupported, disrespected, mistreated in a relationship, we highly suggest you reach out for professional help. This video content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next topics. Bye bye.